Beckett. Beckett is nearly 5 months old, and he is almost rolling over. As you can see, he is pushing up, and he's reaching for things as he's on his tummy, which is brand new this week. He's still... Oh! He still kind of grunts when he does this tummy time, and occasionally gets frustrated like he's currently. But he pushes his legs, and he pushes himself forward this way. It's almost like a slithering of sorts. I think he's getting tired now. He also has a stuffy nose, so he's probably having trouble right now. But he's still in good spirits, as you can hear. Beckett! Are you getting tired? Are you over this? Okay. All right. We'll give you a break. We'll give you a break. Okay. Oh. Ah. Hello. 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 Oh. Oh! Thank you for sneezing in the camera. How? How? Hi. You have a lot to say about that. Yeah. Oh. Did you just pee all over me? Oh, man. Good job. Good job. I take the diaper off of him so that he can kick around and pull his feet to his mouth. But obviously, this is dangerous sometimes. Because Mommy ends up with pee all over her. Are you going to eat the camera? Eat the camera? Huh? Huh? Oh. You gonna grab it? Oh, don't grab it. Is it delicious? Everybody can see your tonsils there, Beckett. That was a very special treat for Grandma and Grandpa, huh? And grab it again? Right into the mouth. As most things end up in the mouth nowadays.
So what someone like Pocono believes, or Madison Grant, is that the population can be improved by encouraging the fit.
He's finding the string that is attached to the camera very interesting.
And Pocono's objection to birth control is that it is widely used and has already been
Say bye-bye, Grandma. Goodbye, Grandpa. See you soon. See you soon.